So we'll start with a good posture, feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. Imagine that string from the crown up towards the sky, chin stays parallel to the ground. Place one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. Now, we're going to come up onto the toes and reach the arms up as we inhale, and exhale, bring the heels down and the arms down. So inhale, lengthen up onto the toes, exhale down. So inhale, lengthen up, exhale down. And we'll inhale up, exhale down, and inhale, and we're going to stay up, so keep breathing. Then bring the arms to shoulder level, palms facing forward, staying on the toes. Squeeze the shoulder blades together, bring them back, and then reach up higher. Shoulder level, squeeze, back, and reach. 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 And coming down. So just roll the shoulders back. And then forwards. And we'll bring the feet together. Bring the palms together to the chest. And lengthen the arms up as we inhale, and then exhale over to the left. Inhale, exhale to the right. Come center first, then inhale, lengthen, exhale, and try pushing the hips in the opposite direction. Come back to center, inhale, exhale over, and center. So one more each side. Inhale, and exhale, come in center, inhale, and exhale, and back to center, bringing the arms down. Now, balance pose, we'll do star pose. So standing on that left leg, we'll bring the right leg up. So squeezing the arm muscles, lengthening the leg all the way to the toes. And then coming down, we'll do the other side. So bring that left leg up. So keeping all the muscles active, squeezing that belly button in. And down. So again, bringing the right leg up. Now we can either hold there, or we're going to add a little challenge by circling that leg. And then the other way. Coming down, so we'll do the other side, standing on that right leg, bring the left leg up. So you can always stay here, or we're circling the leg. And the other way. And bring that leg down. Then just hanging forwards, and we'll circle the arms. And circle the other way. Now coming on up. So the standing pose, we'll do extended side angle. So turn that left foot 90 degrees, back foot angled. So have the front knee bent above the ankle, shoulders above the hips. Now we're just leaning to the side, so either placing the hand or the forearm on the thigh. Keep the body facing forwards, and we'll bring that right arm across and looking up to the sky if that feels okay for you. and come on up and do the other side. So turn that right foot 90 degrees, back foot angled. A good bend in that front knee, body facing forwards, leaning to the side, and we'll bring the left arm up and across and looking up to the sky. So we'll do one more each side. So coming back to the left side. So leaning sideways, bring the arm up and over. You've got that deep stretch all along that right side. We'll try and sink into the pose. And coming on up. And swap the feet around. So placing the hand or the forearm on the thigh. Bring that left arm across. And coming back. And we'll finish with a good posture and the breathing. The shoulders back and down, crown to the sky. Placing one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. And just see if you can feel the heartbeats with the upper hand. We'll bring the arms down and we're all done.